Hi guys, good evening. My name is Mohammad Abu Huraira and today is my presentation about behavioral targeting using real-time data and AI. And today I will explain how modern business use real-time behavior data and artificial intelligence to deliver highly relevant personalized marketing. We will look at how this process works, why it matters, and impact it creates for both consumer and market. So we look at behavior targeting. Behavior targeting uses real-time behavioral signals to understand how users interact online. It enables brand to deliver personalized, data-driven marketing message that match each user's need and intent. Let's walk through the three core components that make behavioral targeting effective. Real-time signals, AI analyze, and precision. In real-time signals, we capture live browsing behavior, location activity, and travel time. Then AI processes all these signals at high speed. It identifies patterns, predicts intentions, and builds instant user persons. Finally, the system improves segment and messaging precision. It ensures every user receives content that is relevant, timely, and aligned with their interests. The most important part of this topic is understanding how behavior targeting actually work in practice. First step is data collection. It all begins when a user interacts with any digital platform. Each action like device data, demographic, click, search, dwell time, location, past purchase, and scrolling is collected. Once this behavioral data is collected, it moves directly into AI analysis. In AI analysis, artificial intelligence processes the data at high speed. Actually, AI converts scattered behavior signal into meaningful insight. These insights then feed into a predictive model. Machine learning model predict what the user is most likely to do next, whatever the next may purchase, explore more content, or drop off. It calculates the exact percentage chance that a user is ready to make a purchase, how likely they are click on an ad, and identify their specific intent. After generating probability scores, the system moves to segmentation and persona generation. System assign a persona to each user. Persona is a group of users who act like same. The system knows which persona a user fit into a moment. It makes the targeting sharper, easy, and more precise. Finally, the process leads to personalized content delivery. This is where the right message, product, recommendation, or ad is delivered at the exact moment the user is most receptive. In dynamic content rendering, the system intelligently adapts its output based on personalized recommendation tailored to the user unique persona. So we look at why old methods fails. A user comes to your website and starts searching. His interest rises quickly as the user continues exploring. Every click, every action pushes that intent higher. Soon the user hits a peak moment of interest. This is a perfect time for the system to respond it with a relevant message or offer. But traditional systems do not react here. Instead, these begin processing, collecting data, and waiting for the next batch cycle. While the system is still working in the background, the user interest start to fall. The moment of high intent is fading away and it is the best time for the conservation. Finally, user has lost the interest. Hours later, the companion finally triggers. The user interest has already dropped. User has moved on. This delay between peak intent and the system action is latency gap, and in the gap, opportunity is lost. This is exactly why behavioral targeting powered by real-time data and AI become essential. It eliminates the latency gap, react instantly to rising intent and deliver the right message at the precise moment the user is ready to act. So we look at now Netflix case study. Netflix is one of the strongest example of behavior targeting in action. According to Netflix, nearly 80% of all content streamed is driven by system recommendations. This means most of what user watch is selected by the recommendation engine based on their behavior. So now look at real-time data sources. The next key element is behavior targeting in real-time data sources. Behavior targeting works only when the data is fresh, accurate, and constantly updating. So it's important to understand where this data comes from. First, we have web analytics. This thing include like a page view, click how long a user stay on a page and the path they take through a website. Second, there's CRM data. This gives us purchase history, customer demographic, and record of past interaction. And third, we have a social media data. This shows us engagement, sentiment, how people feel, and the content they share. Together, these real data sources make behavior targeting smarter, faster, and more precise.